Hey guys, have you ever felt like that your English is not a privy? That you're always using the same English words and those are so repetitive and another person is always telling you that you're using the basic English? Is it really your fault? Because you try to improve English every single time and you don't even know like where to get those words from, how to just make your English advance. It is so hard to find out these kind of things. And in this video, I'm here to talk about that you have to get rid of those basic words. Those basic words like you're always using the same words all the time with the help of very. And I'm gonna talk about like how you can remove very from every word and can use advanced words in order to speak more fluently and impress others with your real advanced speaking skills. So here are some words which I'm going to talk in this video, so make sure you stick till end and learn those words and tell yourself that you can improve your English in a real fast way. The first word is very angry. We use angry all the time, but we don't have another word for angry. So what we should do instead of using very angry and angry, here are three words that you should use, and those words are enraged, furious, and infuriated. And these words can be used in place of very angry. For example, she was infuriated by the delay. And another word is very bad. We cannot always use bad all the time. So instead of using bad, we can use these three words to sound more like an advanced native speaker, and those are terrible, awful, and dreadful. For example, that was an awful experience. It means like that was a very bad experience. Very beautiful is the another word because we want to show someone that this person is so beautiful. Instead of using very beautiful all the time, we should be using these words exquisite, stunning, and gorgeous. The sunset was absolutely stunning. Another word is very big. We use very big all the time and we just so tired of using these words. So why don't we just change and improve our English and start using these words instead? Enormous, massive, and gigantic. These are the words we can use in place of very big. For example, they live in a massive house. Their house is so big, so instead of using very big, we used massive house. If something is so clear that you understand everything out of it, so you don't always use very clear all the time. Use these words instead. Apparent, evident, obvious. For example, it's evident that she's so passionate about her work. So it was evident, it was so clear that she was so passionate about her work, and we can use this word instead of using those words. Another word is very easy. So we use easy all the time, and it is so easy for us to use the easy words all the time, but we don't have to use it. We have to use effortless, simple, and straightforward. For example, the solution was surprisingly straightforward. It means like it was so easy. When we talk about the exciting things, we talk about it's very exciting, but we don't know many words which we can use in place of exciting. And those are exhilarating, thrilling, and captivating. For example, skydiving was a thrilling experience. It means like it was so exciting. When we use the fast word, we use it's very fast, but use these words instead. Swift and rapid. For example, her recovery was swift. It means like her recovery was very fast. We heard the word very good all the time. Teachers compliment us for a lot of things, and by saying very good, we feel like so good. And since that time, we've been using very good all the time, but here's some words we should be using instead of using simple word very good, and those are excellent, outstanding, and superb. For example, that's an outstanding achievement. Here comes the next word, and that's very hot. That's my personal favorite word because I use it a lot of time, and that is scorching, boiling, and scalding. For example, it was a scorching summer day. It means like it was a very hot summer day that we couldn't even go outside. So stop using hot all the time, very hot all the time. Use scorching. If we talk about it's very much, something is very much, something is too much. So stop using much all the time. Use these words: abundance, ample, plentiful. For example, there's an abundance of opportunities. If we want to talk about very strong, if another person is so strong and we want to define him, we have to use these words instead. Powerful, robust. These words can be used in place of very strong. For example, the bridge is robust enough to handle the heavy traffic. When we talk about the thing that is very ugly, we don't have to use ugly all the time to call out something that looks so gross. So we have to use this word instead: hideous, unattractive. For example, that place was hideous. It means like that place was so ugly. So we have to use these words in order to improve our English and to take ourselves to the advanced path. If you like this video, so make sure you just learn these words again and again and repeat these words, because by repeating the words you're gonna improve your English and you're never gonna sound like a repetitive person, and no one is gonna call out for repeating the things again and again. And it's gonna be straightforward for you to tell yourself that you're now an advanced speaker and you're not a beginner anymore. So if you like this video, so make sure you just watch these kind of videos more and more, because I'm going to talk about the words which are going to help you become an advanced speaker. So in this video, we're just winding up. See you in the next video.